It's me, Mario.
Hey Mario. What's up? Oh, hey, how you doing? Okay, Mario, cut the jizz, will you? You already know what day it is. It's St. Patrick's Day. Now come over here. Let me pinch that. You never take me alive. Hey, get back here. Oh no. Mario, come on. Again, you already knew what day it was. You knew this was gonna happen. You thought you were gonna hide forever? Oh, come on, Mario. You're just making this more fun for me. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go, Mario? Huh? Where you gonna go? You're trapped in here. Well, not really. I can go in that room or that room, heck, even that room. But I'm not. Because each room is taken. What? How can a room be taken? No, you know what? Forget it. No, screw it. Whatever. Just get over here, Mario. I'm going to pinch you. Oh no, Luigi's gonna get me. I gotta find something to protect myself. I can't get pinched anymore. I hate this month. What's in here? What's in here that could help me? What's in here? Wait a minute. What is... Voila! Aha! Here's something that can protect me. I got you, Mario. No, you gotta be kidding. Nope, not kidding you, Nope, this is all real, nope. You serious, Mario? My vacuum cleaner? Yup. There's not even any green on it. How is that supposed to protect you? What are you gonna do? Suck me up? No, I'm not gonna suck you up. And yes, this can protect me. There is something green on it. See? Did you forget what Poltergust this is? This is the Poltergust 5000. You know, the one with the greeny thing on it. There's something green on it. So I'm protected. You suck. That doesn't even count! Wait, does that count? Does it count or not? I guess. It's green and it's on the vacuum cleaner and stuff. Yeah, it's small, but like it's green nonetheless. Like I guess it counts. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! This can't be happening. So that means you can't pinch me, bro. You can't pinch me. Now, will you excuse me? There is a door leading to the outside, which is where I want to go right now. So, move out of the way, please. Move out of the way. Fine. You can't pinch me. You can't pinch me. You can't pinch me. Mark my words, Mario. I will find a way to pinch you. You sussy walker. To celebrate me not getting pinched for once, for this month, I'm gonna eat me some pizza. 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 Yeah. Ah, it's done. Ah, yeah. Whatever. Time to dig in. This pizza is delicious. Stupid man, you and that stupid vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna destroy it. Huh? Oh, what was that? Oh, dang, I passed out on the pizza. Oh, I don't think I want it anymore. Oh, boy, I think I had enough. Today was this exhausting. Ooh, yeah. I'm tired. Now's my chance. Put the camera up. Put it up at me. Thank you. Oh, boy. Do I need a shower? Oh, I gotta take this off, though. Gosh, dang it. Alright, put this here. Time for that shower, baby! I got it! I got it! Ooh! How was that open? Huh? What the? Luigi? Ow! Yoshi? What the? Yoshi? Yoshi, is that you? You look different. You even sound different too. What happened? Nothing. I just got plastic surgery. I also got voice surgery too. What? Plastic surgery? Voice surgery? Okay, I get plastic surgery because, you know, you're a plush. It's like the plush version of, like, you know, plastic surgery. But voice surgery? What the frick is voice surgery? Listen, I'll tell you about that on a later date. But, I believe, this is yours? Yeah, that's mine. Please give it to me, like, right now. Here you go. Thanks, Yosh. You're welcome. Eh? Oh, man. Oh, that was a nice shower. Oh boy, what the frick? Where is the poltergust? Where's the poltergust? No. No, 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 no. Okay, what do I just? Luigi! Oh no. Oh! You took my vacuum cleaner. Yeah. Yes, I did. Because it's not fair. I really wanted to pinch you this time. So that means you gotta take my vacuum cleaner? I'm sorry, Luigi, but you gotta give it to me before I beat the freak out of you. Like right now. Well, you know what? You can have it. I'm gonna go through that room and I'm gonna hide it somewhere where you can't find it. Blah! Oh, no, you don't. Ugh. Where are you gonna go, Luigi? Where are you gonna go? What the? Now, pinch you. Pinch. Oh, wait, no. Oh, no, get away. Get over here, Mario. Whoa! Got my vacuum cleaner, Luigi. Now get over here. Ah! Holy shit! He really is gonna suck me. Ah! Luigi, where are you going? My vacuum cleaner's hungry. Where do I go? What do I do? He's gonna suck me up with that vacuum cleaner. I'm not even a ghost. What the? This! I can use this! Metal things are not supposed to go inside vacuum cleaners. They destroy them. I'll use this. There you are, Luigi. Come in and get the sucky. Sorry, Mario, I have to do this. Wait, what? Oh, dang. Mario, are you okay? Yeah, Luigi, I'm fine. Oh, that's fine, Mario. Anyway, one last thing, before I go and let you rest here. What? Pinch? Ow! Got you, Mario! Oh, come on! Bum.